Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jeff Goodwin. Friends, traders around the world, wherever you are, I'm in Thailand and hosting trading. Every morning, what I do when I get up, I look at the charts. And recently, I've moved from gold, from indices, back to Forex. With certain people I mentor, for whatever reason, can't get access to a broker in their country for gold and or indices. So I went back. In the last few weeks, I'm focusing on Euro pairs, Euro USD, Euro CAD. And then later on in the day, I look back to 7 a.m. Bangkok time. And now my afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, my afternoon is 4:50. We'll look at what's happened since 7 a.m. using my simple tip. It's simple, effective, very simple. If you want access to this, just say, I want to become a ninja with you, Jeff. See you soon. Here we go. Share my charts. Euro USD. So you can see here, I've set it today, the 31st, 7 o'clock, Bangkok time. So there, I started setting the simple, easy, clear tip. I've got the famous Ninjacator. I've got the Ninja Mac Zero Special stuff here. I've got something else here, the PSARs inside the Ninjacator, and something, a special line. So here we go. We're getting up. We enter the next one because above this line and above there. You see there, it goes up, it reaches there, and it comes down one candle. And it comes down one candle, and PSARs. There, I exit the trade, 1.6% growth. My first aim this year was 0.5%. My first aim is 0.5%. I achieved that. My second aim is 1.5, and after that, I let it flow. Next one, we have an indicator of a sell. We're not ready. We haven't. It breaks that line. When we're ready there, that's it. We enter there. It comes down. It comes down. It rejects off there, and I'm happy to exit that trade. 1.5, 1. Easy, simple effect. Next one, above the line. There it is. There. PSARs, stop loss. It goes up, and later, Jeremy, notice it just keeps going up. The moment it comes down one to there, I exit the trade. Next one comes here. We get an indication there. So, hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen, there. Some people may have entered there, with that there, or even the next one, but you see the momentum. Some taking worst case scenario. Anyway, you see, there's not really much there. We've got 0.5% of this. We're going to consolidation. We're going to consolidation. Flipping between PSARs. Now, at this point here, ladies and gentlemen, we get an indication of a buy. We get a cross, we get hidden divergence. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. There or there. Stop loss just below there. Is Emily starting to see something that's consistent, happens on a regular basis, 0.5% growth, ladies and gentlemen? It comes down. There. We can enter there if we wish, but look how far the PSARs are. Let's take it anyway. Let's take it anyway. There. PSARs there. Would you have gotten that trade possibly? Possibly not. You know, up, down, you know, break even. Maybe exit that there. Swapping, exit the trade. Break even. That's why I didn't have that one there. Next one, ladies and gentlemen, keep go here. There. Remove that there. There, that one right there. We enter the trade there. Simple, easy, effective. Up, comes down one candle, boom, there you go. Next one. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. below the line, drop below the line. There, can I get 0.5% of this? Can I get 0.5%? It is normal. Enter the trade. But I'll be honest, I'm going to take a break, ladies and gentlemen. So what I do when it goes into consolidation, I draw a line. I go from there, I go there, I stay out of the trade until it goes either up or it comes down. So at this point here, ladies and gentlemen, we got 1, we get 2. Before we look at 1, below the line. That's going down. This is going down. We can take advantage of that one there, or even there. Here we go. PSARs right there. Not much, but I'm just being honest with you, showing you what's possible. Came up 1 green candle, 1% growth. More consolidation. Move this consolidation zone. Or draw another one. Straight across, see that? Oh. Here. We get a sell, we get another sell. Are these expanding? Yes, they are. These are expanding. I know we can see something there, but it's up here. Got to just take what we see. Just have to take what we see. Just letting me, showing you what's happened today using simple, easy, effective strategy. PSARs. We get the sell, we get another sell. But below here, can we get 0.5%? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. And it's just, and at that point there, we've got multiple buys. It's 1.5%. Under the line, no buy. At this point, we're above there, we're above there. That's without seeing anything. Let's see if we get in this. Can we get 0.5%, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, we can. We got 0.5%. This one. Down there, double there. There. See? It's consolidation. I'm just showing you what's possible. Yeah, this one here, ladies and gentlemen, we're above the line. One there. Here we go. You can do this all day long. A 0.5%. Yes, we do. Coming at 1%. Close, ladies and gentlemen. It just keeps on going. It just keeps on going. 1%. Look at that there. You'd wait for one candle going down, trying to get 1 or 1.5. Take 1%, close the trade. Here we go. There's the entry. We're above there. We're above there. Here we go. Simple, easy, effective. PSAR flip. Can we get in there or not? This one. Depends on where the entry is, ladies and gentlemen. Depends on where the entry is. Depends on if I enter there, right there. This one could be a loss, ladies and gentlemen. This one could be a loss. Let's see if we can get 0.5%. There. Can I get 0.5? I get 1%. Absolutely crushed it. Get my 1.5%. Away we go. Easy. 2.5%. Happy with that. That's under the line, no buy. That says sell, we're under the line. As you can see, consolidate. 3 candle rule, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna make either a tiny profit, tiny loss, or a break even. That there goes above the line, it's above the line there. Here we go. Simple, easy, effective. Can I get 0.5%? Easy. Why do I say 0.5%? Ladies and gentlemen, if you do 0.5% a day for 20-day trading days a month, one candle, 0.5% a day for 20 trading days a month, how much do you make? 10%. To pass these funded accounts, ladies and gentlemen, how much do you need? One candle. Boom! 2.3%. Close the trade there or there. Simple, easy, effective. Do this all day long. Simple, easy strategy. Look at the size of that. I wouldn't take that one. This one would be better. Stop loss, too big there. Another 1%. Sell, sell. Wait to reach below the line. Piece our flip. Here we go. There or there. It's big stop loss, to be honest. Up there, why? Because it's flat top. It goes all the way down. Consolidate 2%. Now, let's say, I'd probably, to be honest, I'd probably look at getting 0.5% out of that one. Down, up, down. Maybe we'll let it run a bit longer. Easy. Another 2%. Here we go. No trade, we're into the line. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a, can we get a nice sell, ladies and gentlemen? You sort of say no, we enter the trade roundabout there. Sell, sell. Don't yet. Calls off, peace out. That's all inside the Ninja. It's part of the software, the technology we have. That's already to sell. It goes timber and it just keeps on going. You've got equity in the game, so stay in the trade. Here we go. Consolidation. 3% growth. Can anybody see something? Enter a trade. Ladies and gentlemen, is anybody here getting a little excited? I want to learn the system I put together with the support of ninjas, with amazing educators, and then some special sauce I put together. Ladies and gentlemen, it's here, it's waiting for you. It's there, this setup. If anybody wants to come and any of the ninjas want to join with myself. Here we go, right? See that one right there, ladies and gentlemen? How powerful this is. Each and every setup. It just gets better and better. 4.38%. Have you seen enough? There it goes. Are you ready? Here we go. There. To be honest, I'll be there. That one would be there. Boom. So let's get back to 7 a.m. this morning, please. Let's go back to 7 a.m. this morning. Yeah, let's check the opportunity you could have. Easy, effective strategy. Here we go. Starts at this. So this is in total. This has been 10 hours. 1.5% growth. 1.42% growth. Let's call it 1. 2.5% growth, ladies and gentlemen, and another 2% growth. That's right, 4.5% growth. Next to nothing, let's call it half. 5% growth. This one here, ladies and gentlemen, 5.5% growth. Yep, well, that's 6% growth. 6.5% growth. 7.5% growth. 8.5% growth. 9, 10% growth. 11% growth, ladies and gentlemen. 12% growth. 13% growth. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ladies and gentlemen, 21% growth. And another 2 points, 21, 23.5, 20, 27.5, ladies and gentlemen, 27.30.5, 21% in 10 hours. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not trading with me, you're missing a trick. Enough. I'll see you if you're the balls. Get involved with me. See you at the top.